Okay, so we're going to step inside the gym fitness center. So let's look inside and let's see what we have. All right, so um, right away, I always love it when I see just free weights. And so you've got a squat and a bench machine that's right here, all with the large 45-pound weight. So that's always really cool. I love it when that's present. So that's great. And then you've got some dumbbells that are over here, so that's all good. Let's see. Looking over here, it looks like you got just some benches, and then in the middle there is it's about four machines. You can do some arm press over there. It looks like you've got a leg machine over there. And I'm sorry, this is just three. So you got that. You've got some biceps, some row things you can do with that, so that's all good. You've got another machine over here that's got three. That's your leg press over there, and got some good, these are pretty good machines that are here, so those are all good. Looks like you've got 3 treadmills also, so 3 treadmills, and then I never can describe the names of these or like what they are, but basically they're just, what do you call them? Ellipticals, thank you. So you've got some ellipticals that are here, so 2 of those. And you do have 3 TVs over here also that can be fired up. And then, so it's a square room and decent amount of space and some good equipment. So that's the gym.